Hey, what's up guys, Bibo here of Yugatech, and in this video, we will show you some of the promos offered by the Globe and Smart as of September 2022. Please note that we only selected data promos created primarily to access all sites. First up is the Globe's Go promos, targeted to all users who casually use their data or if they don't have anything to do which is too demanding for much larger data. First is the Go 50. For only 50 pesos, you get 5 gigabytes all access data plus 1 gigabyte Wi-Fi and unlimited text to all networks with a validity of 3 days. Next is the Go 75. For only 75 pesos, you'll get 5 gigabytes of all access data plus unlimited calls and text to all networks, valid for 3 days. Then we got Go 90. For 90 pesos, it offers 8 gigabytes all access data with 1 gigabyte of Wi-Fi, plus all text to all networks, valid for 7 days. For Go Y20, it comes with 10 gigabytes all access data, 2 gigabyte Go Wi-Fi, unlimited text to all network, and limited calls to Globe and TM for only 120 pesos, and it's valid for 7 days. Go 140. For only 140 pesos, 7 days validity, you'll get 11 gigabytes of all access data, 2 gigabytes of Go Wi-Fi, and limited text and call to all networks. Go 250. For 15 days, you'll get 15 gigabytes of all access data for only 250 pesos, while Go 400, you'll get 25 gigabytes of all access data for 15 days for only 400 pesos. Next is Globe Go Plus promos, which is more targeted at users with an active digital lifestyle. Aside from the bigger data allocation, it comes with freebies from different options like an additional gigabytes of data for your favorite app, GoSave, or GoHealth. So for 99 pesos, we got Go Plus 99. It offers 8 gigabytes all access data plus unlimited all network text, and you can choose a freebie of 8 gigabytes of choice of app or health savings voucher. This is valid for 7 days. We also got Go Plus 129. It offers 8 gigabytes of all access data plus unlimited all network text and unlimited calls to Globe and TM. Plus you can choose your freebie, either 8 gigabytes of your chosen app or health savings voucher, valid for 7 days. Now for Go Plus 149, for 149 pesos, you'll get 11 gigabytes all access data plus unlimited call and text for all network. And you can choose a freebie of 8 gigabytes of chosen app or health savings voucher. Again, valid for 7 days. Then we also got Go Plus 250, 15 gigabytes all access data, and you get to choose your freebie of 15 gigabytes of your chosen app or health savings voucher, valid for 15 days for only 250 pesos. But if you need more data, then you go for Go Plus 400. With this, you get 25 gigabytes of all access data, then your chosen freebie of 15 gigabytes of your chosen app or health savings voucher for only 400 pesos, valid for 15 days. Now, to register to these offerings, there are two ways. First, you can download the Globe's Globe One app and register your mobile number. Then once you have logged in, you can click the Discover Promo button or click the Buy tab. Then click the Promo tab, select your desired promo. The second option is by going to your GCash app and click Buy Load, and from there you can simply search for your desired promos. Now we move on to the Smart Network All Data Access offering. Smart also has its own All Data promo, which is aimed at users who only needs data that can be shared with other Smart subscribers. First, we got the All Data 50 for 3 days, and you'll get 2 gigabytes of data for all sites and apps for only 50 pesos. Then we got the All Data 99, which gives you 6 gigabytes of data for all sites and apps with 7 days validity period for only 99 pesos. And for All Data 299, it offers 25 gigabytes of data for all sites and apps, valid for 30 days for only 299 pesos. Now, if you're looking for 30 days period validity, we got All Data 399. You'll get 36 gigabytes of all data for all sites and apps for only 399 pesos. Then we got a higher tier of 48 gigabytes of data for All Data 499. It's also valid for 30 days for only 499 pesos and also offers all sites and apps data access. All Data 599, you'll get 72 gigabytes of data for all sites and apps, valid for 30 days for 599 pesos. Next in the list is the All Data Plus promo that offers not only shareable data but also unlimited all network calls and text. We got here first is the All Data Plus 75, which offers 2 gigabytes of data to all sites and apps plus unlimited calls and and text to all network, valid for 3 days for only 75 pesos. Next is the All Data Plus 149. With this, you'll get 6 gigabytes of data to all sites and apps plus unlimited calls and text to all network, but valid for 7 days for only 149 pesos. Now for 30 days offering, we got All Data Plus 499. It offers 24 gigabytes of data for all sites and apps plus unlimited calls and text to all for only 499 pesos. Next is the All Data Plus 599. It comes with 36 gigabytes of data to all sites and apps with unlimited calls and text to all network for only 599. And to top it all, we got All Data Plus 699. You'll get 40 gigabytes of data with all access to all sites and apps plus unlimited calls and text to all network for only 699 pesos. Now to register, you can download their Gigabyte app, and once you have logged in, you can click All Data button, then click all their data offerings and choose your desired promos and pay. And there you have it. If you like this video, click that like button and make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Also follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. And make it a habit visiting yugatech.com for daily news and tech reviews. Once again, this is B-Boy of Yugatech, and thanks for watching.